Maulan, maulan, maulan po. Ang tagal na ito. Hirap na ang mga tao. Walang tigil ang ulan, ulan. Kawawa ang tao po. Grabe itong river na to. Mahdi Musawi, hello, thank you so much. The situation here in the Philippines today, 1 month lang ganito. Yes, 1 month. I'm good, thank you so much. Mahdi Musabi. Guys, grabing ulan. 1 month raining here in the Philippines, Bicol region. Very bad weather. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Tarako-san, thank you so much, Tarako-san. Good morning to Tarako-san. The situation here in the Philippines, this is 1 month, maybe 1 month, almost 1 month. The situation like this, rainy and windy weather. Part of Bicol region is plowed. Ano ba yun? Bumabaha na. Baha na. Tarako-san, thank you. Yes, here in Philippines, 6 o'clock in the morning. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you beautiful people. Alhamdulillah, today is the signal is good. Before, the signal is very bad.